In any skincare routine, moisturizing is considered as one of the most fundamental activities. Your skin needs a healthy amount of moisture to look smooth, silky, and supple. Moisturizing preserves the outer layer of your skin, which protects its deeper layers from contaminants. If this protective layer isn't well hydrated, your skin will become a lot more vulnerable to dryness and irritation. Here are the 6 best tips on how to moisturize your face effectively. Number 1. Pick a face moisturizer based on your skin sensitivity. There are different types of moisturizers available, which should be chosen based on your skin sensitivity. If your skin is prone to acne or oiliness, you will want a lighter moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Number 2. Use a cleanser before you moisturize your face. Before you apply any moisturizer, start by using a facial cleanser. The cleanser helps to clear away the dirt, excess oils, dead skin cells, and other pollutants from your clogged pores. When the pores are unclogged, your skin can absorb the healing properties of the moisturizer more effectively. Number 3. Don't apply too many moisturizers on your face. Keep your moisturizing routine as simple as possible, sticking to one cleanser and one moisturizer best suited for your skin. Of course, if your skin is prone to dryness in the winter, you may want to switch to a different moisturizer for the cold season. Number 4. Apply a moisturizing face mask. A face mask can be a great solution when your skin needs some extra moisturizing boost. These masks should usually stay on your face for no longer than 15 to 20 minutes. Number 5. Try the mesotherapy procedure for your face. The active ingredients used in mesotherapy can provide extra hydration for your skin. This treatment also improves the skin's elasticity, making your face look fuller and healthier after the procedure is completed. In addition, mesotherapy is known to be effective in reducing wrinkles, scarring, and pigmentation. Number 6. Drink plenty of water each day. The recommended amount is to drink between 6 and 8 glasses of water each day, which will keep your skin replenished. Some tasty alternatives include herbal tea, vegetable juices, and freshly made fruit smoothies.